Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the boundaries, contents and applied aspect of ischiorectal fossa. So let us see the boundaries one by one. So now, right, so we have the anterior, the posterior, lateral, okay, lateral, medial and the roof with the floor, okay. So anterior we have the perianal fascia with the space enclosed by the fascia. Posterior, we are finding the falciform process of sacrotuberous ligament. Lateral, we are finding the obturator fascia lining the internus muscle. Okay. And roof, we are finding the levator ani lined by the fascia. And this fascia is meeting with the obturator fascia. Okay. And then medially you are finding the meeting point of these fascias. Roof you are finding this levator ani with the obturator internus. And floor is formed by the ischiorectal space, okay, with the pudendal vessels, okay. Right, some other structures also we have. Let us see that, okay. This is the suprasegmental space. This is fascia lunata. This is the circular muscle coat of rectum. These are the parts of external anal sphincter. We have the deep, superficial and the subcutaneous. Okay. And this is the Hilton's line. Okay. Right. So these are the boundaries concerned with ischiorectal fossa. Let's see the contents. What are the contents we are observing? Ischiorectal fat pad. We have the posterior labial vessels and nerves here. Same with the inferior rectal. And this is the S4 nerve, the perineal part of the S4 nerve. Okay. These are the contents. Applied aspect, we have the ischiorectal abscess and anorectal fistula. So what we can see is in the anal canal, there can be a formation of the abscess that is called as ischiorectal abscess. First it forms a fistula, then you are getting the abscess and then it develops into a fistulous tract, okay. And extra, this is puborectalis muscle, okay. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.